So you are looking for business ideas but you do not have much capital. Well, this video I'm going to be talking about 10 business ideas that you can start with less capital, as little as $200, and you can actually make some profit from. And these are the goals that I'm going to be giving you for 2022. As you're getting into 2022, these are some of the business ideas that you can start developing now, that when you get into 2022 you'll be able to make some profit. So the first business idea that I'm going to be talking about is graphic design. Well, what is needed when you want to start doing graphic design? All that is needed is your laptop and the skill of doing graphic design. So if you haven't developed the skill of graphic design, what you can do, there are academies or colleges that will actually teach you graphic design, maybe 2 weeks courses, there's 1 month courses, there are 3 month courses all over different places in different towns that you can actually offer you this skill. At the same time, you can get this skill for free if you visit the YouTube channel, and you can look for different people, different mentors that are good at graphic design. They can teach you 1 or 2 skills that you can develop from and become a good graphic designer. At the same time, you can pay just only $22 for a month of graphic design online if you visit Skillshare. So if you're able now to do graphic design, you can actually visit companies, artists, new businesses that need logos. Then you can be able to offer your services to them, and maybe you can charge $50 per logo, $20 per banner for wedding cards, invitation cards, design portfolios for people through graphic design, and you can actually make a lot of money from graphic design. At the same time, you can actually advertise the graphic design skills that you have on YouTube, on Facebook, on Facebook groups, as well as Instagram. Also, you can create a gig platform on Fiverr. Fiverr, it is a platform where freelancers actually create their account and start selling their skills or selling their services for a certain commission or for a certain amount that you'll be able to earn from those services that you'll be providing. So you can visit Fiverr, create an account, and you can actually get traffic. As long as you're good, you're going to get more money from Fiverr. Then you'll be able to withdraw it into your account through bank accounts, through PayPal, through Amazon cards, all those different methods that are there for you to make withdrawals from. So the second business idea that you can start in 2022, as you are going towards 2022, is starting a clothes wear boutique or an online shop. So when you're talking about online shop, maybe some of you may say you can just start an online shop with $200. Well, you can start an online shop with $200 if you do pre-order or order on demand business. This is whereby maybe you can create maybe a WhatsApp group, have maybe a contact, maybe a runner from China or from South Africa, from any other country that is going to be your supply for the certain clothing boutiques that you have. Then those people are going to send you pictures with the prices on the prices of buying that type of clothes that you be looking for. Maybe be sneakers, maybe they will charge you maybe $10 per pair of sneakers or $20 per pair of sneakers. Then maybe they will charge you maybe a runner's fee, maybe of 10%, 15%, and then shipping fee. Maybe that $20 sneaker is going to get into $30 sneaker, and then maybe you can sell that sneaker for $40. So what you're supposed to do is, if you find a buyer that wants to buy a certain type of sneaker, what you can do, that person is supposed to pay you maybe half commission of the price of sneaker. Then you can be able to use that half amount that you've been given to place an order of that shoe that you're supposed to buy, the sneaker that, or any type of clothing that you're supposed to order. Then maybe after 7 days of shipment or 14 days, that shoe will be there, then you give that person that shoe and gives you the remaining. So what you are doing is more of drop services or drop shipping, whereby you order as per demand, then you make your profit from that person. Maybe you can use the half of the money that you'll be given to make the purchase, then you're going to get the money that's supposed to get into your pocket when you actually deliver that pair of shoe or that Gucci or that LV that you're supposed to provide for that person. So online shopping actually is a good platform of doing online businesses, and most of the people are actually doing online boutiques. This is whereby you create a WhatsApp group, a Telegram, you advertise from there, people make orders, you deliver those orders, you make your money, the people buy those stuff. And the good thing about online shops is you're not supposed to pay any rent to anyone, or you're not supposed to face any challenges. All you do is to go directly to the client that actually have ordered, and you provide that services. So this is the business idea number 2 that you can do. If you know anyone, if you know there's no one actually that has an online platform, or maybe you have a different platform in different country, but then those products that they are providing actually are on demand and you are the only person, you can actually start from pre-orders and make a couple of profit from there. I know a couple of guys that are doing that, and actually I am planning to starting an online shop of electronic gadgets. I think in a couple of months to come I'll be able to start my online shop that I'll be selling electronic gadgets, from earpods, ring lights, and those kind of stuff. So let's go to the business idea number 3 that you can do. So business number 3 that you can do is poultry, or create animal feeds. So when you're talking about poultry or animal feeds, this is whereby you'll be keeping day-old chicks and actually make a profit after selling those. Or what you can do is, due to the demand of day-old chicks, especially as we are going towards certain festive seasons, holidays, people will be actually buying more chicken. So what you're supposed to do is, maybe you can create animal feeds, whereby maybe you'll be selling starters, growers, pellets for maybe their old chicks, and make a profit out of that. So this is the business number 3 that I'm going to be talking about. So now we are going to business number 4 that you can actually do: tutoring. Tutoring, this is where by talking about when you're teaching, especially during the period that we are of COVID-19. Most children are not going to school, or they're having challenges, are actually having consistent period of learning at school. So what you can do, maybe you can provide extra lessons for those students, that they can actually visit you after their normal learning hours. Then maybe they can learn mathematics, science, English, whatever that you'll be teaching. Then they can develop their skills from there, so that when it comes to writing examination and improving their knowledge, they won't be backlegging from the skills or from the knowledge that they're supposed to be having during the time that they are facing. So tutoring is another way that you can make money from, and it doesn't require much. So the 5th business idea that I'm going to be talking about is fashion design. This is whereby you design fashion for people within your society. Maybe you'll be designing maybe a roller squad, or the bride and groom preparation clothing, and you can actually make some profit from there. Or what you can do is, you can do screen printing t-shirts and caps for your society, maybe different organization or different companies or small brands, and you can actually make some profit from there. All you have to do is order some t-shirts, maybe on AliExpress or Alibaba. You can get them from as little as $2, $3 per t-shirt. You can order maybe 50 units, then you can get a discount from 50 units. Then all you have to do is do t-shirt printing, sell them for $7, or sell them for $10, make $5 profit, or make $6 profit from t-shirt printing. So this is another way that you can make money from. Or visit universities, different clubs that are there at universities, print them some t-shirts and make some money from that. So let's go to the number 6 business idea that you can is food retail or fruits retail. This is whereby you'll be selling snacks, fruits you buy at farms or from retailers. Then you sell them maybe you have a mobile shop that you'll be using actually to sell those products, and you can make some profit from there. So now we are going to number 7. Number 7 is developing a skill that you'll be able to use, for example baking cakes, cupcakes, all those kind of stuff. And you can do some research maybe for wedding events and other different events that you'll be doing. So that's another way that you can make money from. So now we are going to business idea number 8, is starting an electronic online shop or an electronic accessory shop. This is whereby you'll be selling phone covers, pouches, chargers, earpods, all those type of accessories that is electronic, maybe ring lights that I was previously talking about. Those are type of things that you can sell, and they demand less money for you to actually make an order and start selling those. So we are going on business number 9. Business number 9, what we are talking about is blogging. This blogging, you can start maybe by look for a niche that is greater attraction to the society or that you're passionate about. Maybe you can doing fashion news, whereby you'll be talking about weekly trending ways that are there. Then you can start making some adverts on your blog and start making some commissions, start making some affiliate links on that blogging site that you'll be having, and make some money from that. Or maybe you can look maybe for celebrity gossip. Then when you start having celebrity gossip, having more traffic on your blog, then you can start making money from the links and the promotion codes that you'll be putting, as well as you be an affiliate marketer on your platform and makes a couple of bucks from that. So let's go to business idea number 10 that you can make money from in 2022. Freelance writing. This is whereby you'll be writing articles, blogs, selling books, being an anonymous book writer, and you can make a lot of money from being writers. So there are so many ways that you can actually sell your pieces of writing from. There's Upwork, there is Fiverr, there are so many platforms. Then you get featured on, you get certain commission, and you can look for people that want you to write books. Then they can pay you as much as maybe 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, depending on how good your book is. They're just going to give you the topics, the subtopics, and the information that they want you to include, and you can develop a book from there. Then all you do is write. Maybe you sacrifice maybe 2 months, 3 months in writing a book. Then you can make maybe 3,000, 5,000 from that, which is a lot of money that you can start from. So these are the 10 ways that you can make money from in 2022. Business ideas that doesn't require much money for you to start. So if you keep on tuning on, I'm going to be telling you different ways of making money online, or make business strategies that you be able to develop from. Until then, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave the notification on so that you can see upcoming videos that are going to be sharing with you. So until then, cheers.